Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the digestive system. First, we all should know about the different types of digestion, that how many types are there. Mainly, there are two types of digestion, mechanical and the chemical. Mechanical digestion means that we are going to do physical, like physical chewing. We are going to chew the things, or we are going to tear the thing, we are going to grind the things, we are going to mash the things, or we are going to mix the things with the chemicals or with the enzyme. That is all about the mechanical digestion, or you can say the physical digestion. Second one, the chemical digestion, that is going to happen because of the chemicals that are present in your body, or you can say the enzymes. In place of chemical, you can use the word enzymes for them. Mechanical digestion, like we are going to chew the things with our teeth, we are going to grind the things, we are going to tear or mix the things. These all digestion happen in your mouth or your stomach. That is a mechanical digestion. In the same way, the chemical digestion start from your mouth and at the intestine. In the mouth, in your saliva, there are the different enzymes are there. That enzymes are going to digest the different molecules that are present in your food, like the carbohydrates, proteins, and the lipids. Now we have to talk about the GIT tract, gastrointestinal tract, or GI tract. It is a long tube that starts from your mouth and at your rectum. So the organs which are involved in that one are mouth, the first one, then pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and the rectum. These are the organs that are involved in the digestive system. You can see here the mouth, then the pharynx, the green color tube, esophagus, the red color stomach, then small intestine, large intestine, and the rectum. Now we have to talk all about all the organs one by one and how digestion is going to happen in them. So let's start with the mouth. That is the first organ. So we have the teeth. As I told you before, the teeth are going to mechanically break down the food into the smaller pieces. Your tongue is going to mix the food with the saliva, and saliva contain an enzyme that is amylase. Amylase enzyme is involved in the breakdown of starch. Next, from the mouth, like the teeth, the next thing is about the epiglottis that is present in the pharynx. That is the next part from the mouth. Here is the tubes that start from here, from the end of the mouth. That is the pharynx that contain an epiglottis. Epiglottis is what? It is an opening, plaque-like structure at the back of your throat that closes over the trachea, preventing food from entering it. So if the epiglottis is not going to close, what will happen? The food will enter into your windpipe. So you can't breathe, you can die. So epiglottis is very important because it is going to close the opening of the trachea. The next organ that is involved is the esophagus. Esophagus is a long tube that starts from here, from after the pharynx, and it ends up to stomach. It is 20 centimeter long, and the main function of the esophagus is it secretes the mucus. Mucus do what? It is going to soften the food. So the food is going to move down easily. Second thing, the peristalsis. Peristalsis means movement of the food from the throat to your stomach. By using the muscle of the esophagus, they are going to contract. In the start, they are going to contract and then relax. Contract and then relax. What will happen by this? During the contract, the food is going to enter, and when they relax, the food is going to move down. Then again contract and then relax. Contract and relax. Due to which the food can easily move down. If the acid from the stomach gets in here, the heartburn will start. Due to some issues, what will happen when your stomach is full of the acid or they excrete more acid, it will move back to your esophagus. And that condition is known as heartburn. Now we have to talk about the stomach. The red color part in the diagram, you can say that is the stomach. It is a J-shaped muscular bag that stores your food that you are going to eat. Then it do what? It break it into tiny pieces. And after 5 hours, it will do complete digestion and move the food from the stomach to the intestine. Mix food with the digestive juices. You know, in the stomach, the muscles are going to grind the food. That is a mechanical digestion. But it has some enzymes, or you can say digestive juices, that are going to break down proteins and the lipids. As I told you before, the mouth, the saliva contain amylase enzyme that are going to break down carbohydrates, or you can say starch. And here in your stomach, the protein and lipid digestion will start. In the same way, as I told you before, the acid in your stomach, that is the HCl, hydrochloric acid, it kills the bacteria in the stomach that came with the food. Now, the food that is present in your stomach, that is called as chyme. So this is all about today's lecture. If you got any question, you can ask. We will continue the next part in the next lecture. Thank you.